360 degrees of wonder.
Mother Nature is present within every Norfolk Island vista. The green rolling hills, lagoon-fringed shoreline, treasure-filled rock pools, soaring seabirds and stately Norfolk Island pines are all part of the island's backdrop, a lovely combination of country charm and seaside serenity. The island's clean air feeds all living things, and the waters that fall from the heavens and roll in with the tides are pristine and refreshing. Norfolk's nature moves to its own organic rhythm.
There's more to Norfolk Island.